In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient overlay to Squarespace background images. This is a simple way to give your site a more polished look and also improve text readability when you have headings or buttons sitting on top of an image. We'll be doing this by adding custom CSS directly inside Squarespace, so you won't need to edit the image itself. First, from your Squarespace dashboard, click on Website. This takes you into the main area where your site structure and design settings are managed. If you're not sure where to begin, this is the right starting point because it gives you access to the parts of Squarespace we need for the customization. Next, click on Choose. This section is where you normally manage your site's page layout and navigation, but it also gives you access to broader site configuration options. We're moving through here as the path toward the custom styling area. Once you're in Pages, click on Custom Code. This is the section where Squarespace allows you to add code-based customizations to your site. It's especially useful when you want more control over design details that aren't available through the standard visual editor. After that, click on Custom CSS. This is where you can add CSS rules that change the appearance of your site. CSS is what controls styling, so this is the correct place to create a gradient overlay effect for background images. If you've never used this area before, just know that changes here can affect how elements look site-wide, so it's always a good idea to review the result after pasting your code. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. This code is what creates the gradient overlay on the background image. Depending on the exact code you're using, you may be able to adjust the gradient direction, colors, and transparency level to better match your brand or improve contrast. For example, a darker overlay can make white text stand out more clearly, while a softer transparent gradient can create a more subtle visual effect. After pasting the code, take a moment to preview your page and confirm that the overlay appears the way you want. If needed, you can fine-tune the styling later inside the same custom CSS area. That's it. You've now added a gradient overlay to your Squarespace background images using custom CSS, giving your site a more professional and readable design.